Starting to see just a hint of development out there in the Max Track. The majority of it's been up over Indiana, but if we zoom you in and you get right down on the border with Jessamine County there, you've got a lone shower just to the southwest of Fayette Mall there, between there and Brannon Crossing. And as well, you've got a stronger shower. You just set up shop between Science Hill and Somerset. So we're seeing a little bit of development. Burnside's got a shower just to the north. To the north of Burnside across southern Pulaski County there. So a little bit, a few more showers towards Corbin. These will likely become more numerous as we go into the afternoon. So yes, we do have active weather. A lot of this driven by daytime heating. Now there's a cold front settling in. That's why you've got slightly better coverage over Indiana. So there's a severe risk today, although it's a marginal risk, and it goes from New England states right down here through the Commonwealth. Does not include southeastern Kentucky. Does include the bluegrass back through Louisville, though. And this shows the excessive rainfall outlook. And notice where it is and it isn't, or at least it's higher. There's a slight risk running right through the Ohio River Valley and the bluegrass with a marginal risk southeast. What it looks like is going to happen into the afternoon is these scattered showers and storms are going to fill in, but the best chance to see them will be a little more to the west, and then they should gradually drift east. This shows precipitable water. It's essentially if you take a column of air from the surface all the way up through the atmosphere and squeeze out all the water vapor, it gives you an idea how much moisture you're working with. And this is showing higher levels of moisture back to the west, which essentially means those storms have more moisture available to tap into and more that they can crank out in the form of heavy rain. And you can just see that moisture pooling as we go through time over the next couple of days. So we've got daytime heating, we've got slow moving storms, and we've got deeper moisture to tap into, which means these scattered showers and storms as they fire, in addition to possibly giving us some stronger wind gusts, will put down locally heavy rain. Now they will be on the move. The gradual trend will be off to the north-northeast, but it'll likely be slow movement, which could concentrate heavy rainfall there. We briefly had a flash flood warning out across northern Owen County this morning from one of those cells. And we could see that into the afternoon, so we'll have to watch out for that. But a lot of the coverage, at least initially, looks to be in the bluegrass and out west instead of into our southeastern counties. But through Friday into Saturday, we're just going to keep this pattern going. There's nothing out there to really break it up. So we pretty much got a daily chance for showers and thunder showers that should start to wane a bit overnight and then start to fire back up during the day. And this shows the hit or miss nature of it, but also shows that potential heavy rain aspect of it. You could end up with a few hundredths of an inch to tenths of an inch to an inch or two over the next couple of days. We're in the mid-80s. The heat's not excessive. The dew point is high, though. It is some steamy air out there. We've got dew points in the low to mid-70s. That's swampy air, so it does feel like it's in the low 90s in Richmond, 93 in Monticello. We'll have the heat index in the 90s today. They've kept the heat advisory going, that cluster of counties impacted by the torrential rain and the flooding, just because there's so many people still working outside in this heat and humidity, and there's still people without power, without AC. They've done an incredible job of getting power restored, but you've still got Knott County, Perry County, and Breathitt County with some customers without power there. So for today, here in Lexington specifically, what this is queued up for, we'll see a rising chance for scattered showers and storms through the afternoon, peaking mid to late afternoon and then diminishing this evening, especially after sunset. And then tomorrow we could have some showers and storms ongoing in the morning, and then they'll spike again into the afternoon due to that daytime heating. And so it goes into Saturday. Sunday, we'll have that daily storm chance. We'll try to get a cold front in here next week and break this pattern up a bit, but for right now, it's fairly consistent.